Hello guys, welcome to today's training. Today we'll be talking about how you can design nice videos, very professional videos for yourself using Canva. Now, if you are new to Canva, Canva is an online software for designing graphics, for designing graphics like logo, flyer, banners, posters, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, social media posts, and so on. So that is majorly what Canva is used for. But few people actually know that this same Canva can be used to design nice and professional videos. Some think that the video features of Canva is premium, but it's free. Now, so if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you can be notified anytime I release new educative videos like this. Now on this channel, what I do is I give series of trainings. Now series of trainings on how to build website, how to design funnels, how to design landing pages. I also teach people on freelancing, affiliate marketing, brand building, and so on. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now let's go ahead and go into what we have for today: how to design videos using Canva. So if you are someone that works on Fiverr, you might have been wondering, you might have been finding it difficult to come up with a nice video for your gigs. So with this simple strategy I'm going to teach you, you can come up with a very nice video for your gig. Can come up with an about us video for companies, for you might want to organize a seminar, a webinar, a program. You can use this simple strategy to create very nice, professional, and good looking videos for yourself. Now let's go straight and get into the work of the day. Now, first thing you need to do is you have to create a Canva account. So if you have not created a Canva account, I leave a link in the description below. Follow that link to create a Canva. So if you use the link in the description below, you will get Canva will give you some free element like free premium pictures, some free premium designs, templates that you can use if you use the link in the description below to sign up. So let's proceed. Now, after you have signed up to your Canva account, come and search for videos here. That's a way to do it. You can also see that from your dashboard here. This is video. You can just click on video here. This is video. You can see this another video. You can just click it here. Or you see templates. From template here, you can click videos here. You can click videos. Sorry. So let's click on this video. So now these are different types of video you can create. You can create Facebook videos, create Instagram videos, YouTube intros, slideshows, and so on, Pinterest videos, and many more. So whichever one you want to create, just click on it, and a template for it will come. Now let's click on this video, which is the 1920 by 1080 pixel dimension. Now click on it. Thanks. Yeah, nice. So different templates will load up by the left here. So you see that these are the several templates that you can use. You don't need to start to design from scratch. These are free templates that you can use. Free. Although there are some that they are premium, but if they are premium, you would have seen it. You would have seen now something like this. Now you see this is pro. That means you have to pay to get this template, or it has a premium element in it. So it might be that this image that is revolving is the premium element, and the moment you delete it, you might be able to use it. But I think the whole template is premium, so we can't use this at all. Can't use it. So Just look for a free template. Free template. So let's try this. I've used this before. Let's try it. Click on the template you want to use. Now, see, this is one, two, this is 8 slides, 8 pages. So if you want to import all these 8 pages, click apply all 8. So all these 8 pages will be imported into your template. So then we are using this template for this tutorial. Now, nice. So you can play it here. See, this video is 39.8 seconds. You can play it here and see how it looks like. So that's it. The sound is there, but you might not hear it because of the way I'm recording the video. You might not hear the sound. So the sound is playing there. So this is the video. So that's it. So we have imported it and can come ahead here and make any changes that you want to make to this template. Bring in your own image. Now this say hey there Ali, so you can just pick, pick it and change it to whatever you want to change it to. You can say hey. So hey, so with whatever you want to put it, so you can say my name. Yeah, I just put it there. My name is Ken. You might want to enlarge this a bit or reduce the font size. So if you are new to Canva, some of these things might be a bit difficult for you, but everything is simple. Everything is absolutely simple. So you want to change the image here. Now this is a kind of video here. So if you have a video you want to put there, you can just put it there. If you don't have a video you want to put there, put put an image. Just find an image and put it there. So I say I want to put in this image. So drag it there. So you just have to delete this. Delete it. Let me see if it is in an element. So you have to delete it. So delete it off and put in your own image. Put in your own image or video if you have a video. So that's it. Go to the next slide and write whatever you want to write here. Go to the next slide, put whatever information you want to put there, and you can preview it to see if everything works fine. So I hope you can see. So close it, and after you are done, click on this download button and you can have your video downloaded on your laptop. So now you see that it's saying download with Canva Pro. That means that in this slide we have included some elements that they are pro elements. Get it? And I'm using a free Canva. So what you need to do now is come into each of these slide and detect which of these elements are pro elements and remove them. The moment you find the pro element and you delete it, you'll be able to download your video. As simple as that. So you just have to come. Now I've not seen the premium elements here. Let me see. Now, okay, let's check it here. Okay, the premium element is the music. Yeah, the music attached to it. The music attached to this video is premium. See, you see, whenever you see this crown, means it is premium. So the music playing beneath the video is premium. This is it. So if you want to remove it, if you want to use the same audio, so you have to delete it and upload your own audio that is free. But if you want to use the audio, you have to pay. So you can just delete it here and upload your own audio. Use this audio and you can use it. So I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and comment what you have learned in this video. So thank you very much.